So Mace, how was your beach day?
That was pretty awesome, dude. Had so much fun at Sandy's.
You
we
had more
just
fun at Waimanalo.
we just stood at the shore and looked out. They're like, nah, we're not going in.
Oh, I didn't get it. Down.
I can't believe I got that Mato.
Didn't have vision, unfortunate.
Hang high.
Sakura must be steamy, dude. This mouse hard just did for him.
Ain't no law out on the trail.
Yeah, the jungle is so tough right now.
Quit running your mouth. The things I kill.
Why'd you kick him?
Still got me.
Why'd you kick him?
You just made my day.
You have you? I'm gonna die to this, aren't I? Oh my lordy.
God.
Turret plating will fall soon.
Well,
Oh
she just
my
got
lord.
both of our shutdowns.
It's a good thing. It's a good thing it's just the fucking Morgana.
How did she?
Right?
Where was she?
It's okay, Nick. See that death? We don't have to put in the highlight reel.
Yeah, that's not going on.
We leave that one out. But
In
the rest
fact,
of the
I'm
game, we
editing.
leave it.
I'm editing out that one to make it a 0.
That one play. That one play, yeah.
I mean,
Still got
the
me,
one on my
son of a bitch.
scorecard. Oh, you dodged it!
There are worse.
He's walking me back up. It's a hit from down by it. Wait, dude went for Scion. That's so disappointing. That's so disappointing.
Oh
There
man.
ain't nothing to be afraid of.
Enemy has been slain.
Oh, nice.
Popping off.
Oh, so nice, dude. Oh, they surrendered.
Chocolate. Oh my god.